Welcome back, everybody, to another Divi Project update for November 12th, 2022. Hope you guys are enjoying your Saturday wherever you are. It's a nice day, getting quite chilly, so hope you guys are dressing warm wherever you are. But yeah, who's ready for some news? What's going on with the Divi Project today? First up, there's another article from Nick Saponaro. And again, Divi Project is like, take note on who these credible news sources keep turning to. This is like article number 4 Nick has been featured in. So he is definitely building a rep, or he has a reputation now. And like, big players and people see it and what he's doing. So yeah, so they're taking his word. We're getting more listed. Wait until we start getting listed. Like they actually start listing Divi for like just articles out there. So yeah, pretty exciting. It was just this little piece was on the Lehman's brother moment. Nick was saying how like it really is like let's see. Nick Saponaro, CEO of Divi Project, which strives to make cryptocurrency more mainstream, said that FTX is crypto's Lehman Brothers moment, and in fact, it's worse. On rebuilding confidence in crypto, he told Express.co.uk, greater regulatory oversight is now inevitable. So be ready for that. And it's important to remember that centralized exchanges are not crypto companies, nor are they blockchain companies. They are like banks, but with far fewer controls. Self-custody is the best solution. Decentralized exchanges must step up to the plate and make their services more accessible, secure, and user-friendly. So yeah, that was from Nick Saponaro. But again, yeah, pay attention to like all these credible news sources are referring to. They're going to Nick, so we might get more articles from him, and I'm glad to keep seeing those pop up. Also in the news, Change Now was announcing its Divi partnership. We're proud to be partners with a lot of amazing crypto projects, but give your warm welcome to the Divi Project, a decentralized proof-of-stake ecosystem supporting both fiat and cryptocurrencies that make crypto fun, easy, and more accessible. So that's actually pretty cool that they posted this. You've been always able to get Divi and swap it on Change Now. Very simple website where you just basically choose what you want to send it to, put your address in, and you send it. You don't even need to link your wallet to it. But it's nice that they have a little post on there, which also linked to like saying Divi crypto exchange. And it's like exchange Divi and the best Divi exchange right on now. So yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. So yeah, if you want to get Divi, you don't want to use your wallet for swapping, you can always do this. Like say you have a hardware wallet, instead of just moving straight to the Divi wallet, you can always do it here first. It's like, I'm just going to do the exchange here and make sure the Divi does get sent to my Divi wallet. But yeah, pretty nice little post we got. And then let's see, yesterday we had a Twitter Spaces. Apparently we can't view it. It's kind of weird. Ryan was like, it's recorded, but it's not accessible. But yes, the title of that Twitter Spaces was What's Better Than Sex? A fun play on words from the latest blog we had on centralized exchanges. So yeah, it's it was a nice little hangout. Lasted 1 hour. We just talked about the FTX situation, the importance of not your keys, not your coins, and we really just hung out. I think we talked about, they mentioned the Divi Lightning Works portal pass that was happening. We did talk about who's going to be on for the next Twitter Spaces, which is the one you guys do not want to miss, because we will have Joshua Caleb, our Chief Innovative Officer, online again. So you can ask him any questions you want about the DeFi space that's going on right now. So yeah. So have your questions ready for next week. Set that reminder, and I'll keep you guys posted on that. And then let's see, what is Nick Saponaro tweeting? Abstinence is key. No sex. So yeah, again, the play on words for that Twitter space was better than CEX. CEX stands for centralized exchanges, if you did not know that. So yeah, very funny, Nick. And then, yeah, speaking of the Lightning Works portal pass that they talked about in the Twitter Spaces, that happened yesterday. And congratulations, Lightning Works team and the community on a successful NFT mint. A very special congrats to everyone who used Divi to acquire your portal pass. You were able to do that, and you could have used the Divi Go wallet. As long as they have the right amount of Divi in there, you could have bought your portal pass with it. But to anyone who missed out on the mint, check out the OpenSea collection, because that's all we're going to be getting them now. But yeah, Portal Genesis collection of 777 has been completed, minted in under 24 hours. Now you heard the lady. Sorry, darling, I just finished the job and you're late. Catch me on OpenSea. So yeah, you can only get them on OpenSea. I was able to secure mine owned by you, but come on, who's offering me 0.02? I spent 0.07 Ethereum, and I'm not selling this either way, because these NFTs give you basically distribution rights for the comics coming out. Like, I believe you might be able to get like a nice little deal on the comics that come, like, and then you can just put them on the market yourself. So it's a very interesting way they're doing it. You can always learn more by listening to previous AMAs with Jeffrey McCabe on it, or you can learn about it in the Lightning Works website. But yeah, pretty cool. And it's nice that now, like down here, I wasn't sure there was always a video playing, but now they're showing how the creator app will look. Where who's going to be the next Stan Lee of Web3? With Lightning Works, they're going to be offering a creator app where you can create comics. Like, look at this. This is how the Web3 comics are going to be created. You can have movement, design, sound. Like this is how it is. Plays piece by piece. Stuff's going to be moving, but yeah, pretty cool. Check them out. And then let's see, the voice, custody platforms and custodial rehypothecation smart contract platforms. You will see this over and over again. 1 week safe and the next week gone, locked or bank BK. Get your funds out of these platforms and into your private wallet, like Divi wallet, and be your own bank. And that's how you only know your funds are safe. So yes, thank you, voice, for those words. Also, we have Theta Leviathan talking in the Discord channel to Nick. Nick, this is our moment to shine. Once the dust settles, Divi will be a gem among the wreckage. 5 years of consistent messaging of self-custody, crypto made easy. It was built to avoid exactly what is happening today. I can only imagine how satisfied your current partners are for having gone with you guys as the multi-billion-dollar fraud with all of its high profile endorsements goes down in speculation fashion. Not cheering about anyone's losses, but it is what it is. Divi can seize the moment to show that the industry and how important the suite of producing its buildings are. Now, the fundamentals for Divi and its use cases have never been stronger and more apparent. Exactly, brother. And on Discord, there was a couple of other funny memes out there. I saw this one from Gandalf Skywalker. Customers of centralized crypto exchange platforms on their way to work. All clowns. I know, how long have we been preaching it? And then Captain Nemo's, you call this a dip? Sounds very funny. Yeah, if you're not on the Discord channel, join it. Sometimes Nick will respond to questions that you ask in the general chat. So yeah, pretty cool. And just the community is great. I always found this Forrest Gump one's like, yeah, we're waiting on Nick. Like, what else are you going to say? Well, we are waiting on him to slowly give deets on what's going on with the FIFA World Cup. I know he said like he was going to start teasing about this in the coming days. Because again, we're only, 8 days away from game one, Qatar versus Ecuador. So super excited to see what activations we have here that's going to go on. I'm of course rooting for Croatia because gotta root for my for my DNA. But yeah, if they had Italy and Peru, I would totally be rooting for them. If you're wondering what my ethnicity was, yeah, Peruvian, Italian, and Croatian. So luckily Croatia's playing in the World Cup. So woo, I know who I'm voting for. Who are you guys going to vote for? Let me know in the comments below. And lastly, from Nick Saponero, he had a tweet on after this year in crypto, are you what, giving up? Learning self-custody FFS or still a believer? And we got 60% still a believer. So good, and he salutes you. So yeah, but that's our update for Divi. Price right now is at 0.01, kind of 1 cent. So that's where we're a bit hovering. Market cap's at $34.5 million. Trading volume is 130,000, and our current market cap rank is number 407. How low can Divi go? But I know I'm looking at it, I was like, do I pull the trigger now? Do I buy that? Do I buy it? Because I'm definitely buying more. Like, trust me. Like, I'm just trying to time it. You can never time the market, but I'm trying to time it. And then here's our day chart looking at us. So yeah, we hit the 0.012, and then we've been just bouncing sideways since then. Total masternodes though is up, so people are taking advantage of these prices. 2055 no masternode, so very nice. And if you haven't downloaded the official regional crypto wallet of La Liga, I have a link down below to diviwallet.com, so you can download it from the Apple Store or Google Play. And yes, we are the official regional crypto wallet for the C, MENA, and China regions of La Liga. So that is our partnership we got with them, and it's definitely getting lots of viewerships from it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.